Hey guys, welcome, and here is the another video of hairstyle. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and make a messy bun very easily in just 1 or 2 minutes, and you can rush with that hairstyle it anywhere like college, shopping, malls, etc. So let's get started with the video and without wasting so much of time. And let me remind you that I have also placed some videos earlier about hairstyles, so you can check it out and go to my videos and watch them, learn them from there. So let's get started. So for this, what you have to do is you don't need any comb here, so your fingers do the great job. So what I'm going to do, just using my fingers, holding it like this, and you can secure it here or you cannot, it's up to you. So I'm just securing it here with this TikTok pin. And using this rubber band, just making a high ponytail. Do it like this and again like this, and for the third time I am just taking it half away, so you can see I'm just spreading this hair around, just creating a bun and securing this extra part with a bobby pin like this. See, this is very easy hairstyle. You can make it and rush anywhere. You can also make this messy bun like lower bun, but I'm just making it on my high bun, so you can see that this is very easy hairstyle. So if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll be back with a new video. So till then, bye bye.